It was just a normal morning. It was calm on the road, there was no traffic at all, and good music, good mood. After that, I don't remember anything. Until I woke up 7 days later in hospital. And the first time I saw myself in the mirror, I was shocked. I was scared, and honestly, I started to cry. Because just look at it, nobody wants to have a scar like this. But at least I was alive. I'm so grateful that I had the safety belt on. I'm here, I'm alive because of it. I have the whole future in front of me. I still have the whole future in front of me. Yeah.